In this video, we are going to do question number 12 from homework 10.2. We're asked to simplify the expression, and they're helping us a little bit by reminding us that negative exponents are notation for reciprocal. Let's do this on a separate piece of paper. All right, so I'm going to deal with the negative exponent on its own, and then I'll deal with the fractional exponent next. So negative exponents are notation for reciprocal. I'm going to even emphasize that and say this is 27 over 125 to the minus 1 power, all to the 2/3, right? 2/3 times minus 1 is minus 2/3. The reason why I've done that, and this is optional to do that writing, but the reason why I've done that is to help me see that I'm taking the reciprocal of 27 over 125. Let's get some color on here to help emphasize the flipping. I'm going to take the reciprocal, so now I've got 125 divided by 27 is what's being raised to the 2/3 power. All right, I'm going to just rewrite this problem without color. So all I did, and you can go straight here, all I did is I dealt with that negative exponent, saying that's notation for reciprocal. Now I'm going to deal with the root. Remember, the denominator is the root that you were taking. So this is equal to the cube root of 125 over 27. And I have the option of squaring this and then cube rooting, or cube rooting and then squaring. And the reason why I want to cube root first in this case is because 125 and 27 are both perfect cubes. All right, I just noticed that I was using blue when we talked about in general this result, that in general x to the m over n is the nth root of x to the m. I'd like to use the blue here for the numerator as well. I think that that'll kind of help some of us. So I went ahead and changed those 125s to purple. All right, so something to the 2/3 power is the cube root of that thing squared. Cube rooting is saying what times itself 3 times is 125 over 27, and those are perfect cubes. 125 is 5 times 5 times 5, it's 5 cubed. And 27 is 3 times 3, which is 9, times another 3, which is 27. Right? This is extra writing, but I'm just trying to make it real clear. We're taking the cube root of 5 cubed all over 3 cubed, which is just 5/3, and that's what's being squared. Squaring means times itself, and we multiply fractions straight across. 5 times 5 is 25, 3 times 3 is 9, and we are done. All right? So you don't have to write out all those steps. When you start getting comfortable with this, you're going to say, hey, 5 times itself 3 times. 5 cubed is 125. Oh, the cube root of 5 cubed, that'll be 5. You know, oh, 3 times itself 3 times is 27. 3 cubed is 27. Oh, the cube root of 3 cubed will just be 3. And this is still, all this stuff is being squared. Right? So let's go ahead and put that in the computer and see that we're correct. right? So it's 25 divided by 9. I can enter it like that with a backslash, or I can use my little arrow. 25, oh, and I lost it. There we go. 25 over 9, save. Yep, that's what I want. And we did great. All right, so that concludes our video of covering question number 12.